All right, guys, day 4 in the 30-day video challenge. Today I'm going to answer a question from a student in my 1-hour book system. And if you didn't know, the 1-hour book system helps you to create books super fast with just 1 hour or more of content. And you could do this for yourself, or you can get paid to become an AI book publisher and offer it as a service. So the question was, what are the best 3 niches for people who are AI book publishers and specifically working with clients? So I'm going to share 3 niches that I know are proven because I have clients in these niches, and I also have other students who have clients in these niches. So before I go into that, the most important thing you're going to want to look for if you're offering book publishing as a service in a potential client is you're looking for someone who works with a particular niche themselves, or group of people, or industry, and they have an outcome that they help those people get. They have a process. This is really important. They have a process around how they get that outcome. So there's a step-by-step process that they take people through to get that outcome. And they have proof of results. So they've either been through the process themselves before, and or they have helped many other people through it as well. So if they have those things, they work with a niche, they have a outcome that they help that niche get, they have a step-by-step process, and they have proof, then those are the important things. Now, once you have that, and this goes for any niche, once you have that, there are 3 industries that I've seen success with and that my students have seen success with. So the first one is going to be speakers. So these could be motivational speakers, public speakers, subject matter experts. They speak on a certain topic. Speakers are good because they typically have a lot of content. They have a lot to talk about, obviously. And you're looking for, again, the speakers who have a process and an outcome that they help people get. A lot of coaches and consultants are also speakers. So speakers are great. They also typically charge high ticket prices. That's one thing I didn't mention. That is something that I look for personally when I'm taking on a book publishing client is, do they sell some kind of high ticket product or service? Because it makes the investment, it makes the ROI and the investment for our service easy to hit. So speakers is the number one. These aren't in any particular order, but that's one of the niches. The second one is pretty interesting. Something you might not expect, but is specialist doctors. So I have a student who's working with dermatologists, and one of her clients has procedures around pimple removal, acne removal, has cosmetic procedures as well. So she's created a couple books for this doctor around her different procedures, and these are expensive procedures to do. So, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000. So having a book that attracts people that have those problems and want the procedures, it's a no-brainer for this doctor. So specialist doctors, I have students in other niches as well, chiropractors. I have a student who is working with brain doctors, which is pretty interesting. And so, there's all types of specialist doctors. If you go to ChatGPT or Google and you just look up specialist doctors, I'm sure you can find a bunch. And you could even specialize in a certain specialist type of doctor. So that's number 2. And then niche number 3 is my personal favorite, are any type of money coach or consultant. So someone who helps other people make more money in some kind of way. That could be through some kind of business model. That could be through trading, like stocks or crypto or whatnot. Forex is something else that I see people do. I don't have any experience in that myself. It could be real estate, people who coach on real estate investing, the different real estate strategies. So I've had clients in pretty much all of those. And I love working with money coaches because that's one of the things that I coach on as well. The AI book publishing service is a way to make more money. So I'm in the niche myself, which helps a lot. So that's my personal favorite. But all three of these, they fit those boxes, right? They're targeting a certain niche. They help with a certain outcome. They have a process, and they have proof, at least the people that I work with. And they also sell high ticket. So when you charge 5K, 10K, 15K to help them create their book and do the marketing, it makes sense, because even if they get one client from that book, they've already paid off the investment. So those are three niches again. If you're looking to offer book publishing as a service, and if you want to learn my system, the 1 Hour Book System, so that you can do it for yourself, or you can get paid to do it for clients, go to onehourBooks.com/system, or go to the link in the comments, and you can get it for $27. So I hope that was useful, and I'll see you in the next one.